Hello and welcome to Glitter Shine Nails. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm celebrating my 40th birthday and I wanted to do a special mani. So as I was doing this mani on myself, I decided to film this. The inspiration for this mani is birthstones. In the description box below you'll find links and a list of products I've used along with any discount codes that I have. Before we get started, please subscribe to my channel and make sure you have the bell notification on, and please like this video. These things really do help out my channel, thank you. So my nails are prepped and infilled with my usual poly gel and they're ready for some colour. I'm wearing a glove on my other hand as I've already done that hand and I don't want to ruin it. So before I start adding the colour, I'm going to clean the nails with a wax strip and isopropyl alcohol. For a full prep video you can find the link to my prep video in the description box below, and I always do method 3 from that video. The first colour I'm using is Poison Apple. All gel products in this video are from Kiki London. This colour is going on my index and ring finger, and I'm going to take a really small bead of Poison Apple, place that onto the nail and very gently push that up to the cuticle area, and I'll really use the brush to help me guide that gel into place. I really do go really slow when I'm doing my nails as my hands tend to shake more, and I'll also cap the free edge as well. To get really close to the cuticle area, I'll take a fine detailer brush and pick up a tiny amount of the gel, and I'll gently and slowly get closer to that cuticle area. When I'm happy with how that looks, I will give that a full cure for 60 seconds. Off camera I've also done the ring finger as well, so I'll now come in with another tiny bead. I'm trying to keep the layers super thin as possible but still get a really nice coverage. You'll notice that this time I didn't cap the free edge. I don't want to lose too much of the shape, and again once I'm happy with how that all looks, I'll give that coat a cure for 60 seconds. So now I'm going to add some raw glitter to these nails. I will do the other ones once I've finished doing this. So I'll be using the Easy Build Up Builder Gel in Crystal Clear, again from Kiki London. I've added some to the little tray, and this is the glitter I'm going to be using. It's from Smileys glitter store and it's from their birthstone range. My birthday is 25th of January and the birthstone is garnet. This is a gorgeous glitter but a little on the chunky side. So I'll now add a very thin slip layer of the Easy Build Up Builder Gel in Crystal Clear to my nail, but I won't be curing that just yet. I need the slip layer to easily manoeuvre the glitter about into place, and I'll also cap the free edge with this layer as well to protect the colour that I've already added. So with my silicone tool I'll pick up a small bead of the builder gel from the tile and I'll dip that straight into the raw glitter, and I'll then roll that onto my nail using the tip of the tool. And then with the tip of the tool I'll move the glitter about until it looks good and that I'm happy. You don't want all of the glitter all bunched up together, and I'll also be looking at the nail from all angles as well, keeping the glitter as flat as possible. That is the key with glitter and gel, keeping the glitter flat. Whilst I do that, I'll explain a little bit about my nails. I use poly gel on my nails because they are naturally weak, but they also, when they grow the white free edge, they grow and curl at the same time, which is very annoying. And the reason I have to keep the layers so thin is because I have a very high arch to my natural nail. Creating nails on me, if I'm not careful, can become very bulky very quickly. So back to the nails, and you can see that that glitter is twinkling away, and once I'm happy with how all of that glitter looks, I'm going to cure that for 90 seconds. This is because I need to make sure that I've fully cured all the way through that glitter. So off camera I did the ring finger as well, and I've just done exactly the same as I did on the index finger. I'm going to take the rest of that builder gel that I've laid out to cap this glitter, and I'm going to be using a gel brush to apply this as well. I'll apply a nice layer all over the nail, covering all of that glitter. It is harder to cap glitter with gel than say acrylic, but I'll just guide that all over the nail, making sure that it looks as nice as I can possibly make it. Now you're most probably thinking, why am I not using the brush from the bottle? And that's because I only have one and I don't want to get glitter in that builder gel. All of my top coats and builder gels that I have 2 of them. One for normal gel, one for glitter. But I have not got round to getting a second clear builder gel from Kiki London yet, but I will. Back to the nails. When I'm happy with how all that looks, again, I'll look at it from all side angles, above to the side, from the tip to the cuticle area. I'll also turn the nail upside down and let gravity help pull that gel around the glitter, and then I'll give that builder gel a cure for 60 seconds. So again, I've completed the ring finger off camera, so now I'm going to take another wax strip and isopropyl alcohol and clean the nails. I want to make sure the gel is nice and smooth, and I'm also going to be buffing over the nails. This builder gel has a super tacky layer, so I like to make sure the nails are really clean. Then off camera I've buffed over the nails, and then I'm going to add even more sparkles to these nails. For the other 3 nails, I'm using another Kiki London gel polish. This is Miss Mauve from their fall 2019 collection. And I'm going to start with the thumb and I'll apply the first coat, and you'll see how amazing the coverage on Miss Mauve is. To be honest, 1 coat would have been fine. It's not the first time I've put Miss Mauve with a burgundy. They are the perfect colour combo. Once I'm happy with the thumb, I'll give that a cure before moving on to the other 2 nails. I'll be stamping over these 3 nails. Originally the whole mani was going to be burgundy, but I couldn't get the right stamping polish colours to work, so that's why I went with Miss Mauve. For all curing, I'm using my Sun 5 48 watt UV and LED lamp. Once they are cured, I'll come in with the second coat, but like I said, it didn't really need it. Now I'm going to be honest, I was not looking forward to celebrating my 40th. I was dreading it. But choosing the inspiration and colour scheme along with creating the design for this mani changed all that. I don't know why it did, and I'm happy that it did. So now that they are all fully cured, I'm going to remove the tacky layer before stamping over them. Again, using another wax strip and isopropyl alcohol. I use about 7 or 8 pieces of wax strip per mani. I like to keep everything clean. So I've set out all my stamping items. I have 3 clear jelly stamper stamping polishes, a burgundy, a rose gold and a black. I also have the baby bling clear jelly stamper and scraper, and a tiny old stamping plate which I rest my acetone cotton wool ball on. And these are the cotton claws that I use. They are a broken pair of round nose pliers. I've tried so many other things and I always end up back at these. Then the stamping plate is CJSH 48 Pop the Bubbly. I've not swatched or reviewed this plate yet, but I've purchased it for this mani. I also have my lint roller as well. I like to clean the plate before I start any stamping, along with running my stamper over my lint roller. The middle and the pinky will be the same design. They will have the number 40 over them, along with some added detail. And when I did my other hand, I placed the number 4 first. This gave me an idea of how much space I had available. So because they are really small numbers, I will use a small amount of polish. I'll also remove the excess from every stamp I pick up. I think this is the first time I've shown the baby bling on camera, but it's just like the big bling, just half the size, so it's great for using with smaller images. Once I've finished with the 4 on the middle finger off camera, I did the 40 on the pinky. I only managed to get a 3 on that nail, but it is a smaller nail. But I'll now just add the 0 next to the 4 to complete them all. This mani is quite simple, but it's eye-catching, I think anyway. I feel that this stamping plate will be great for party events and New Year's nails. I don't think I have anything like it, but I really wanted it for these small numbers. So once I've finished with the 40, I'm going to add some detail using the rose gold stamping polish. I've picked out a couple of small images and I'm just going to add them between the 40s. I wanted a colour a bit darker than the mauve gel polish, but I couldn't see anything I liked within the clear jelly stamper stamping polishes. They are the only stamping polishes I use. So now that I've finished those two nails, I'll work on the thumb, which will be different. I'm going to start with the burgundy for the words "Let's Party," and I'm going to place that at the top of the nails. Both hands have the same design on them, but I've changed the nails about so each hand is different. For example, on the other hand, this nail is on the middle finger. So then I'm going to add the dots to the nails as well, because I saw an image on the card thing that you get with clear jelly stamper plates and knew it was what I wanted to use. Because I'll then come in with the black stamping polish for the champagne glasses and add them over the top of the burgundy dots. I'll then use the rose gold and I'll add that as the champagne in the glasses. I loved how this design turned out. I'm so happy with it. Let me know what you think. For top coating the stamping nails, I'm going to be using two different top coats, the no white rubber top coat and the glitter top coat starry eyed. When top coating stamping, it is best to do two coats. Over the stamping first, I'm going to go in with the glitter top coat starry eyed to give the nails the added sparkle the glitter nails have as well. Curing for these top coats will be a 60-second cure again. I can see me using starry eyed quite a bit. It just adds a small amount of sparkle and turns the base colour to this sparkly gorgeousness. The glitter top coat doesn't affect the stamping at all, so there's no smeariness or anything. Once I've added that top coat and cured, I'll then come in with the no white rubber top coat for the second layer and just repeat the same thing again. It's been a long while since I've done a mani on myself on camera. I am out of practice, but would you like to see more manis like this? And also, would you like to see me remove this mani when I do, because I have enhancements on underneath? Again, let me know in the comments below. Now that hand has all been cured and finished, I'll remove the glove so you can see the other hand, and I'll add some cuticle oil to all of the nails. I've really enjoyed creating this mani, and as you can see, both hands have the same design, they're just on different nails. I hope you enjoyed watching me work on my own nails for my 40th. I'm now off to celebrate my birthday. My mani will be over on my Instagram page in the next few days, along with what products I've used. There is a link in the description box below. If you do come over and see my posts and you like them, please give them a like as well. I'd be really grateful. Thank you for watching my 40th birthstone mani tutorial. I hope that you've enjoyed it. If you did, then please give me a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. Comment below. I love to hear from you. Hit that subscribe button and share. Also, don't forget to come over and follow me on my Instagram page at Glittershine Nails. So until next time, thanks for watching and bye.